Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Work to Play. Today, I want to jump on here and show you what I'm doing here to the floorboard on my Rippa R15-4 Eco. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. Trying to build my channel up. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. I went to Harbor Freight, picked these up. You can probably get something similar like this at any hardware store. I'll put a link in the description of what these are. I've already prepped this surface. I've cleaned it with soapy water, and then I came back and used alcohol and just cleaned the surface real well. You can do this however you want, but I prefer, I want to have this in almost like a brick pattern here so it's not matching. Or, you know what I could do this. Let's see what this looks like. I actually like this better. Okay. Like that. Oh yeah, that's gonna look. So,
all right, I'm gonna fast forward through this,
right
not bore you guys with the install, and then show you the final results. About a week after installing these, I had to go back with, I used S2000 all adhesive, and I had to re-glue some of these panels, but this has been a great mod. Alright, so we'll do a drum roll, here we go. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Left over, and I decided to go ahead and place those here on the wall of the excavator whenever I'm getting in and out before I hit my boots. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day.